Hello everyone, welcome to Pet Experts. I'm Sunamar, a final year veterinary student. First of all, thanks for showing the love and support to all my videos and on demand of you guys. Today I'm going to be introducing you all to my lovely pets. I have about 7 dogs and a few birds. I'll introduce them to you one by one, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy this video. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you could be notified for our future videos. So here are we guys, and you've met both of them before too in my previous videos. He's Mr. Fiddu. He's a 10-month-old Pomeranian, and she's Zara. She's about 13 months old female. She's the really shy one, and he's super calm always. But they both love trees. So here we go. They both are from really good bloodlines. His parents were champions, and her mother is with me too. I'll show her to you guys in the future. So guys, I'm back with Elsa and Sweetie. She's Sweetie. She's in Lhasa, so she's about 2 years old. She just had a litter about 2 months ago, and they were really cute pups. And she's Elsa. Elsa, come on, good girl. She's a Shih Tzu, and obviously we have trimmed her coat, and she's about to have pups in another 10 days. They both are really loving. Elsa is the hyper one, and then she's a bit calm. So let me bring the other dogs. Stay tuned. So welcome back guys. I have Silky, the one with less coat. She just had babies about a month ago. She's Ice, and Silky, come. And she's Tintin, and she's Ice's mother and also Zara's mother. And she's about to have pups again, and she is just shy as Zara. Zara got her shyness from her, and Silky is the hyper. Ice is the hyper one. Sorry, I get confused in the names sometimes. And come on. So this is their treat box, and they know it, so they love it. And she learned this stance from Elsa, the Shih Tzu that I just showed you guys. So guys, now is the cutest part. She's Chandni. She's about 3 years old, and this is her first litter. She just gave birth to pups like about 2 days ago, and so she's super nervous that what are they doing in this basket. I'll show you. They're super cute. Chandni. There you go. They're 2 days old. The orange ones are females, and the one in the middle, the black one, is a male. They're super adorable, and Chandni really loves them. So that was all for the dogs. Now I will introduce you guys to my birds. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video, and for always showing the support. Please don't forget to share the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Thank you.